In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in Amazon. Strengthening your Amazon account with two-step verification, sometimes called two-factor authentication, is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your personal information and your orders from unauthorized access. First, make sure you're already signed into your Amazon account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a menu labeled Accounts and Lists. Instead of clicking right away, hover your cursor over it for a moment. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account page, where Amazon shows several tiles or sections for different settings and features. Look for the tile labeled Login and Security. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Amazon may add an extra layer of protection by sending a verification code to the email address associated with your account. If you see this prompt, just pause for a moment, open your email in a new tab or on your phone, find the code Amazon has sent you, and type it into the verification field. Once you've entered the correct code, you'll be allowed into the Login and Security section. On the Login and Security page, scroll until you find the option for two-step verification. On the right-hand side of the section, you'll see a button that says Turn On. Click that button to begin the setup process. Amazon will now show you two ways to set up two-step verification: using your mobile phone number or using an authenticator app. Both are secure, but for this walkthrough, we'll use the authenticator app option. Select the authenticator app method. Amazon will then display a QR code on your screen. Open your preferred authenticator app on your phone and use it to scan the QR code shown in your browser. After you scan it, the authenticator app will start generating a one-time passcode for your Amazon account. This code changes every 30 seconds or so. Look at the code currently displayed in your authenticator app and carefully type it into the field on Amazon's setup page. Once you've entered the code, click the button labeled Verify OTP and Continue. After verification, the page will reload and show some additional options related to legacy device sign-in and suppressing OTP challenges. You may also see a checkbox that says Don't require OTP for this browser. If you're on a private, trusted device that you use regularly, you can check this box to avoid entering a code every single time you sign in from this browser. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to leave it unchecked. When you're happy with your choices, click the button that says Got it. Turn on two-step verification. This confirms your settings and activates two-step verification on your Amazon account. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on Amazon, adding a powerful extra layer of security to help keep your account safe.